pull-ups versus push-ups. Which one is better and which one should you be doing? Hey, it's Oscar from Primate here, and in this video we're going to discuss pull-ups versus push-ups. So both pull-ups and push-ups are great bodyweight exercises and great compound exercises in general, but they are very different from each other. So pull-ups are a vertical pulling movement, which means the movement is happening above your head and you're actually using the pulling muscles, and push-ups are a horizontal pushing movement, which means it's a pushing movement and it's happening in front of your body. So pull-ups target mainly the lats, the lower traps and biceps to some extent, plus a bit of forearms as well. While push-ups on the other hand target the chest, the front part of the deltoids, so the front part of the shoulder, and your triceps, so that's going to be the back part of your arm. So as you can see, even though they're both great exercises, they're pretty much complete opposite movements of each other. And when it comes to the difficulty here, pull-ups are going to be way harder to perform than push-ups are, because when you do pull-ups, you're more or less lifting 100% of your body weight, but when you do push-ups, you're lifting only around 60% of your body weight. But for both pull-ups and push-ups, there are many ways to increase or decrease resistance, so you don't really have to worry about that too much. But when it comes to body weight pull-ups or push-ups, push-ups will be significantly easier than pull-ups will be. And hey, if you get some value from this video, then why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel right there for more similar videos in the future. Now, when it comes to equipment, here the push-ups actually do take a win, if you can call that, because push-ups actually don't require any equipment at all unless you want to use parallettes. But pull-ups do require a pull-up bar or gymnastic rings or something else you can hang from. So usually a pull-up bar or gymnastic rings are equipment that you will be needing for pull-ups. But what they both have in common is that they're obviously both bodyweight exercises, but also that they're one of the best exercises for their specific muscle groups. So pull-ups are known to be a very effective exercise for the lats, so for the back in general, and push-ups on the other hand are one of the top exercises when it comes to building your chest. So both are very awesome for their specific muscle group that they're training. And now you probably know where I'm going with this already. So as usual, I recommend you do both of these exercises. Don't just do one or the other, because completely different exercises, completely different muscle groups, and if you only decide to do one of them, well, you know, you're missing out a lot of gains on the table. And a bonus tip coming at you right now. So because they're training the opposite muscle groups, something you can play around with here is doing supersets. So that means that you will be doing back-to-back sets of pull-ups and sets of push-ups. So let's say you have 3 sets of pull-ups and 3 sets of push-ups. What you would do is you will first do a set of pull-ups, then you'll have just a very short break, if any break at all, and go straight to your push-ups. Then again you have a short break, you jump into your pull-ups, and then push-ups, pull-ups and push-ups. And this is a very time-effective way of training, and the idea here is that you're using different muscle groups. So when you're training your push-ups, your lats are more or less resting, and when you train your pull-ups, your chest is more or less resting. So therefore you can really effectively condense your workout. So that was just a quick bonus tip on how you can pair up pull-ups with push-ups. And hey, now that you know that pull-ups are a great exercise for your back and your lats and your upper body in general, you might want to be interested in finding out how to perform pull-ups for best results. So I highly recommend you to have a look at this video right here that's going to teach you what to do when performing pull-ups to get the most out of every single repetition. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you found it helpful, and if you got some value from this video, then please go ahead and leave this video a like. It's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to build a warrior body with primal training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.